Alright, so did a lot of work with the GoPro today. I had about 90 boxes, more like 4 or 5 of just pure GoPro accessories. And you know, I've been delaying. I got it for Christmas. I got all this big old gift. Got the GoPro, got the light mod, got the media mod. Bought myself the chesty mount, helmet mount, head mount. Got this big thing right there. And all of that. Bunch of booklets. It's crazy. A lot of wires. This is all the trash. You know what? How about I show you the light mod? Whoa. Hope it looks good. There's a few different settings. So there's this. I have the diffuser on. How about we'll test out the mod, the light mod, first with the diffuser on, with all the settings. And then we'll do it without the diffuser. It's already blinding me, by the way. Maybe I should start putting it on the side of the camera so the top or right by the lens where I have to look. Could be a good idea. Alright, so diffuser. This is the base mode of the light with the diffuser on. We're gonna go second. Okay, even brighter with the diffuser. Keep in mind this is all with the diffuser, so it's gonna be, you know, less potent than it normally would. Third mode. Oh, buddy. Getting real bright. And this is with the diffuser. It's insane how powerful this light is. Second or fourth, we have the little strobe mode. I was just watching a video and they said basically that the strobe mode's the signal for help. So we're just gonna stop that. But in addition, this is back to the base mode, the first mode. But in addition to all these 4 modes, we also have, if you double click the power button, super powerful bright mode. It goes, I don't know, crazy, stupid, dumb. But it only lasts for 30 seconds because it's so powerful. Alright, enough of that. Please stop, please stop. Alright, we're back to normal. Now I'm going to take the diffuser off. We're going to see how bright it gets with all those 5 modes. Okay. Dang, it looks pretty, but yeah. So as you can see, lights up pretty good. Lights up pretty good, I'd say. Yeah, works pretty good. This is mode 1. This is without the diffuser. Mode 2. Bright. Bam. Bright. The bright. The brightness. Here's the diffuser. That's the diffuser. It's so bright. This light's so bright you can't even see it. The diffuser, since it's white. Alright, third mode. Blinded. Blinded by the light. I rolled up like a douche. I'm moving you around. I'm showing you the surrounding area to see how the light affects. See how the light affects the surroundings. Alright, strobe mode. Alright, enough of that. And then finally, this is the big one. Big bright mode. You can light up a football stadium with that bad boy. Alright, we're turning it off. So that's the light mod. Very powerful. I'm going to start mounting it to the side of the GoPro because, dude, when you have it right near the lens where you have to look, oh, it kills me. It kills me. So, yeah, this is the GoPro, the light mod. I'm liking it so far. I'm excited to hear the audio with the media mod. It comes with a little directional mic. So I don't know how good the audio quality is, how good the video quality is, what the light mod did to the video, but yeah. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm using the handler. It's like a little selfie stick, kinda. That's exactly what it is, actually. I don't know why I said kinda. But yeah, so I'm loving the setup. We're making big moves, man. The first big video with the GoPro, man. This is it. Ooh, should I get the light for the extra vlogger style quality for the little outro? Alright. I'm liking it. So guys, that's been my little review. Hope you liked it. And I guess, well, I'm getting this thing set up, so you'll be seeing more videos from me. This is a big step in my journey of filmmaking, video making. So I'm excited, man. It's gonna be fun. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.